good, everybody? Time to try these chicken nuggets from Banquet. So made a nice sandwich out of it. Put some pickles, tomatoes, onions, and under that is the chicken nuggets, the star of the show. Very good so far. Nice peppery nuggets. Go well with the juiciness of the pickle and the tomato. Having that perfect crunch of the chicken nugget right at the end. And of course you got the onions at the top. God damn it, go get it, man. I'm in the middle of a video.
I need my phone.
Sorry guys, a little minor interruption. Anyways, back to the video.
Okay, shoot me your address again. Okay, I'll be there in about 15 minutes. Okay.
And that softness of the bread goes well with it too. All right. Very delicious. Nuggets were nice and peppery. I seasoned them well with garlic powder, onion powder. Had a wonderful crunch to them. I give those bad boys a 9 out of 10. Anyways, if you haven't tried Banquet chicken nuggets, I suggest you go to your nearest store and go and copy some. Anyways, if you rock with the video, give it a like, comment, subscribe to your boy's channel. Tim's Eats and Reviews. That's all I got, gang. Deuces.